Hello all. Houseless on wheels. Is it a must for some? Yeah, it is. That's what we're going to talk about today. Why some people do what they do. Why they became nomads. Let's go inside and have a little conversation. A little windy out here. Okay, we're inside. We can talk a little bit. So, why are some people choosing the nomadic life? A lot of times it is because of monetary reasons. Can't afford to live in mainstream. I've heard a lot of stories. I've talked to a lot of people. Some people have lost their job, can't afford to pay rent, have to live in their car. Or if they're lucky enough, they can afford a van or possibly a motorhome, travel trailer, or whatever, whatnot. It is a problem. Poverty in America is a problem. It's definitely a problem for seniors, the elderly. America don't pay enough on Social Security for them to live. I've heard a lot of people say, I don't get enough Social Security. You know, I've done a little research, and it's over 40% of a person's income is spent on housing. I do know that even low income housing is 30% of your income. And that's crazy to me. That out of every $1,000 you got to spend $300 just to live for your apartment. And a lot of seniors, they don't make that much money. A lot of them are living on $600 and $700 a month. Can you imagine spending, if you're on $600 a month, can you imagine spending $200 of that just in rent alone? They can't afford to eat, let alone prescriptions, medical bills. So that's tough. And a lot of the women out here, they don't have enough credits with Social Security. That's why their income is a lot less. Because they opted to stay home and raise their families. Be stay-at-home moms, that is a tough job. And you don't get paid nearly well enough. I don't understand that. But they opted to raise their families, which is a darn good thing. So they're living on a poverty wage. Sometimes that's why I do what I do. You know, I like to feed people. Well, sometimes that's the only meal that certain people's going to get for the day. So that's kind of a contribution that I like to give. Anyway, let's talk about some of the other reasons why people are out here. There's mental health issues. There's just health reasons. People are in poor health, well, they can't work. If you can't work, you can't pay your bills. So they're living on a minimal amount of money, which is sad. I don't understand why we can't take care of our people out here. I don't understand why kids go hungry. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm going to turn you off and I'm going to come back. I got some things to do around the house. We're going to keep talking though. You know, it saddens me that people can't afford to live. That they have to come out and live in their cars. They have to live this nomadic life. Now me, I'm here because I want to be here. Not that I have to be here. Although it is much easier living like this. And it's mainly the high rent that people have to pay. And that's just ridiculous if you ask me. But and some of the other reasons that people are out here are they're rebellious. They don't want to live the norm. They don't want to have that. This is their American dream, if you will. Which is tough to gain that American dream anymore these days. That house is a hard thing to buy, let alone afford. You get to be it's just crazy. Yeah, I got chores to do, so try to take care of business. You know, there's other reasons why people are out here. Abuse. I've heard of a lot of females are out here to escape the abuse from their significant other. That I can't fathom. That's ridiculous. That they have to leave with their kids because society won't protect them. So they're out here. And yeah, some people are out here because they're lazy. Because they don't want to work. Not that they can't work, it's that they don't want to work. And this is a lot cheaper way to live. Anyway, that's just a few of the reasons. I'm going to dive into them a little bit more in depth in a future video. So, this is Randy. You guys remember, love one another. And you know what? Let's take care of people. Can't take care of everybody. Take care of your neighbor. If they need help, help them. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.